Hi guys, it's Charlie. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a sitemap to Google. So your website and sales funnels will be indexed by Google. So if somebody types in a keyword, which could be, I don't know, website maker or web design, your whatever niche you're in, that will come up on Google. Okay, so it's not guaranteed to come on the first page, but it will be indexed by Google. Now, this might take a while, but it certainly is worth doing. So what you need to do is go to Google Search Console. Now, you might need to register for this. I can't remember, I did this years ago, but yeah, you definitely need to register with Google Search Console. And then you need to add a property, which is your URL for your website. Okay, let's have a look on one. Let's go on this one. Okay. So you just copy and paste your website into Google. Now, what then you need to do is Google needs to verify that you're the owner of this website. So you go to upload a HTML file, there, this one. And with Builderall, you need to add a meta tag. Okay, so you need to copy this meta tag here and go back to your office, and then you need to edit your website. Bear with me, my phone's ringing. Okay, right, we're on. Right then, so what you need to do here then is go to this page and go to whatever page, like the home page, funnel, and then the settings, and then you need to go to meta tags here. So you've gone to settings and it's your meta tag. Oh, trusty put. Right. So then what you do then, here is your keywords as well. So if you wanted to put in, I don't know, starting a business, what was that there? Training, Builderall. Okay, all your keywords have to be separated with a comma as well. Okay, so you can put as many keywords as you want in there. Okay. So obviously now we've copy and pasted the meta tag, and you go to save, and then you go to save and publish up here. Okay. So once that has propagated on the internet, so that might take a few seconds, it could take a minute or two. So you go back to your search console here, and then we're going to verify that you've put this meta tag on your website. Okay, so let's just try it. Okay, it's not done it yet. It shouldn't take too long. I mean, I've just been doing it for a couple of my websites just now, so not yet. Okay. Yay! There we go, guys. So yeah, it just takes a couple of minutes just to get Google to check that you own the website. Okay, so that's done. So what we can do now is submit a sitemap. Now, I'm not going to go too much into what that is, but it's basically something for Google to crawl your website so it knows it's out there. Okay, so if we go back to this one here, and you can see, so you go to here, and this is your properties here. So you obviously go to the one you want, and here is add a new sitemap. So you go back to your editor and go to these settings buttons here. And there you go, sitemap, really easy. Builderall done it all for you. So you just create a sitemap and copy that. Back to Google Console and paste it in. Now, as you can see, Google already put the prefix here for you. So you just need to go back to the start here, look, and just delete it up to where you've got your sitemap there. Okay. And then you press submit. Okay, so that has now been submitted to Google. It will crawl your website, it will find out what it's about, it'll search your keywords for you, and hopefully get it on the first page for you. Obviously, there's a lot more SEO into that, but at least you know your page is out there and Google recognize it and who you are and what it does. So all right then, guys, hope that helps. Okay, see you on another tutorial.